In this video series, I'm going to show you how you can set up your own Twitter-like microblogging platform. Twitter is the most popular microblogging platform, of course. It attracts a wide range of people and businesses, and it's good because it's the brevity of it. You can make quick comments about anything, make quick posts, put your pictures in, and so on. Now, you may want to make your own microblogging network so that you can concentrate on one area of interest or business. So it's really good for anybody. If you have a hobby, for instance, you could make a microblog about your hobby and have other people to participate. If you are a business, you could set up a microblog just for your business, make it private, and then people within the business can communicate through the microblog and it's there for everybody to see. Okay, so in this video series, we're going to go through how you set that up for free. Of course, you're going to need web hosting and a domain name to put it on, but we're going to be using free tools other than that. Okay, so in the next video, we're going to start getting things set up.